When you go to do the learning opportunity tonight, I think it's pretty straightforward. There's just a couple of things I want you to understand about the graphics and different things like that. First of all, there's no room to work here. So ideally, you would on scratch paper do problem 1 and realize it's probability of spinning white on the first spinner multiplied by probability of spinning A on the second spinner. This is the white space. These are considered striped. Also not white, not white. So these are also not white. So when they say striped, they're referring to these two spaces. When they're saying not white, they're referring to any of the spaces that are not white. But in any case, the probability of white is 1/5. The probability of spinning A on the second spinner is 1/3. I think you need a little bit more room than right here to show your work. But in any case, 1/15 would be the answer to problem 1. And the way this works is you look for 1/15 down here and you cross it off. If you, let's say you got 1/12, you cross off either one of them, it doesn't matter which one. But after you've crossed out all of the correct probabilities, the letters that remain will fill in the hilarious answer to the riddle, what do police put on a bad pig? You need to understand that when they're talking about rolling a number cube, the sample space includes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Even though you can only see the 4, 5, and the 6, you know there's a 1 here opposite the 6, there's a 2 here opposite the 5, and there's a 3 here opposite the 4. I think that'll be straightforward once you know that. This one's important to read. It's always important to read the directions. Find the probability if you pick one marble, replace it, then pick the second marble. So when you're doing 17, it's the probability of picking a black marble randomly, which there's only one black marble. These are striped. So there's a 1/6 probability of picking black. But then it's important to understand that you then replace the black marble, shake up the bag, and pick a white marble. What's the probability of picking a white marble under those conditions? There are 2 white marbles out of 6 marbles total. So 2/6, which of course can be simplified to 1/3. And so the probability of picking black, replacing the marble, and then randomly picking white would be 1/18. So I look for 1/18. I see it. I feel good about my answer, and I cross it out. Now, when you go to do number 18, please understand that the bag is reset to this condition. I think that's all I need you to know. So class dismissed.